Hi, besties. Happy New Year and welcome to the Christy Hub space. You must have seen this kind of video across all social media platforms. If not all, I believe you have seen it on TikTok and the likes. The AI dancing baby or avatar video is a good niche that drives traffic. You can use it to grow your social media platform as a content creator. And you can create it for free. This is simply how to go about creating it.
To create this trendy dancing AI avatar, you can use Clean AI, Igfeed, or One Video. In this video tutorial, we'll be using the One Video site in creating it. Make sure you already have your avatar, and if you don't have your avatar, you simply go to ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot to get your avatar. Your avatar, simply make a screenshot of a particular avatar you like. So this is a screenshot of one that I saw online. Take it to ChatGPT or you take it to Copilot. So tell it to act like a prompt engineer and give you a text prompt for this particular avatar. You can change the style, you can change the dress. So just change it to your taste. So, and this is what it gave to me. So I asked it to make the pants to match and the shoe to match with the top, with the tank top. So and I got this at last. So this is what I got. So this is a sample of avatar you can use to create the viral dancing AI avatar. So after getting your avatar, you then go to your Chrome browser. You simply type one video. You search it. So once it opens, this is how it will look like. You click on try now. So I already registered my email on this one video. So it has logged me in. So if you're a beginner, it will ask you to log in. Just log in with your Google account. Pick a particular email of yours and use it to log in to start using this one AI. So once it opens for us like this, you will click on try video. Yeah, try now. Click on try now. And it will open up like this. As it opens up like this, so you click on this video icon, click on the video icon and take it to avatar, then choose avatar. As you choose avatar and also the video, you change it to photo animate, then you change it to photo animate. Change it to photo animate. Click on the video icon first, after which you choose avatar. After choosing avatar, from speech to video, change it to photo animate, and it will show up like this, asking you to bring in your character and the video you want to use. You want your avatar to dance to. Then let's tap it to bring in our avatar. So let's use this avatar. You can use avatar like in form of an animal. You can use baby avatar. You can use adult avatar. anyone you want. You can use your own avatar. Then you tap on the video to bring in the video you want to use. For the video you want to use, you choose upload from device. So let's search for the video we have here. So let's use this video. So it's asking us to trim it. So if your video is too long, so you can only make 15 seconds video. So you have to trim it and confirm it. So it will trim it and ask you to confirm. So just trim it to 15 seconds. Then you click on confirm and it will be created. So you can use it for free. You can use it to create 1 minute dancing video for your social media platform. So you can use it to create up to 1 minute dancing video. To make up to 1 minute dancing video, you after creating the first set, you come back again, because you can use the one video for free for many times. You can use it limitlessly. So you have access to use it limitlessly, or unlike other platform that you will be required to subscribe after your first usage. But for the one AI, you can use it to create up to 3 or 5 times a day. So after it might have confirmed your video, you click on this icon below your screen. This icon here. Tap on it to create your video. So please ensure the character has a clear front facing. Yes, your character must have a clear front facing. Otherwise, the generation may fail. Confirm it. Once you confirm it, to start creating your video. So because it's a free version, we are on the queue. So we are queuing. So you have to wait for it to create. So once it is created, you long press on it to download your video. So let's wait for it to create. So once it finishes creating, we'll come back to see what we have. Our video is ready, and this is our video. Let me play it so you see the animation. You can see exactly like the video we got from TikTok. So if you want to create yours, get a video that the face is fully shown from TikTok. Make sure the face of your video is shown. Create your avatar and follow the process. If you want to create more than 15 seconds video, I told you, repeat the process until you get the amount of duration you want. To download your video, click on this icon above your screen. So to download your video, simply long press on it and it will be downloaded to your device. Download again. So we've downloaded our video. So this is simply how to use the one.video in creating the 20 AI dancing baby videos that you can use 20 music for, or 20 artists for, or 20 dancers for. So if you're still watching to this time and you like what we're doing on this channel, don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the comment section to give me a nice comment. Let me know the kind of video you want me to create next. Hit the subscription button to subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever we post a video. Don't forget to share with family and friends. Let me know your thoughts concerning this video. If it is helpful, let me know. And if it is not, kindly let me know. Thank you very much for always engaging with our videos on this channel.